Hi, this is Tim Rozansky with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over sewage backflows, their causes, prevention, and immediate action. Sewage backflow is a hazard event that can cause severe home damage and health risks. Understanding its causes, prevention, and response can help protect your home and family. The causes of sewage backflow: blocked sewer lines. Grease, fecal matter, and debris can clog pipes, causing wastewater to back up. Heavy rainfall and flooding. Excess water overwhelms sewers and forces sewage into homes with water main breaks. Structural damage. Cracked or broken sewer lines disrupt flow and lead to backflow, this backflow leading to water damage. Improper plumbing connections. Faulty installations can cause wastewater to enter clean areas. How to prevent backflow. Regular maintenance. Clean sewer lines to prevent clogs. Backflow prevention devices. Install check valves to stop sewage from flowing backward. Proper disposal. Avoid flushing non-biodegradable items and grease. Improve drainage. Maintain gutters and sump pumps to handle excess water. Immediate actions during backflow. Turn off water. Stop additional flow into your system. Avoid contact. Sewage contains harmful bacteria. Keep children and pets away. Wear PPE. Use gloves, masks, and boots before entering affected areas. Remove standing water. Use a wet/dry vacuum or pump to extract contaminated water. Clean and sanitize. Disinfect all affected surfaces, especially around toilets, sinks, and bathrooms. But most importantly, call professionals. Experts handle Category 3 water losses, meaning anything that has fecal or contaminated matter, safely and ensuring through sanitization. To conclude, sewage backflow requires fast action and proper prevention along with professional help. At PDQ, we are experts in sewage water cleanup, and you can call us today.